Hey folks, Julian here with RØDE, and this is the XDM 100. The XDM 100 is a professional dynamic USB microphone designed specifically for gaming and streaming. It also comes with our virtual mixing software, Unify. Now, these two together are a complete audio solution for streaming and gaming with professional audio. I'll tell you more about Unify in a moment, but first let me show you the microphone. As I mentioned before, the XDM 100 is a USB mic, so it connects directly to your computer without the need for additional gear. It's basically an audio interface in itself, with a mic, a preamp, a headphone amp, and a DSP chip built into the body. It comes with a professional studio shock mount, which protects the mic from knocks and bumps, and it also allows you to mount it onto a PSA 1 Plus studio boom arm. This also allows you to position the mic nice and close to your mouth to get that rich, clear tone. At the base of the microphone is a USB-C connector, and on the side here is a headphone output control for monitoring your audio. The XDM 100 comes with a 3-meter headphone extension cable, which is great for cable management, especially if you're connecting it to a boom arm like the PSA 1 Plus. Now, this level control on the front of the mic here also functions as a mute button in case you need to quickly mute your mic. The XDM 100 comes with an internal built-in pop filter, but it also comes with an external pop filter for extra protection from plosives. Now, this is particularly useful for dynamic mics like the XDM 100, as the optimal position for getting clear audio is right up close and personal. The XDM 100 features premium circuitry with our ultra low noise, high gain Revolution preamps, and of course, high resolution analog to digital conversion, ensuring that your audio is of the highest quality. The dynamic capsule is super high quality and will capture every detail of your voice with warmth and loads of character. It has a tight cardioid polar pattern, and being a dynamic mic, it's not quite as sensitive as a condenser microphone, so it will actually reject more background noise like keyboard and mouse clicks or reflections in your room. Now, as I mentioned before, the XDM 100 performs best when you have it closer to your mouth, and this will amplify what's known as the proximity effect. Now, this is an accentuation of low-end frequencies when your voice is closer to the mic and will give you that rich, classic broadcast tone. But if you prefer to be a little further back from your microphone, or you tend to move around while you're gaming or streaming, you might want to consider something like the XDM 50. Now, the XDM 100 is actually only one half of the story here, with the other half being Unify. Now, Unify is a virtual mixing solution for streaming and gaming that gives you full control of your audio workflow, and it performs multiple different functions in one intuitive software interface. This includes routing all of your sound sources like your mic audio, your game audio, your chat music and browser audio into a single virtual mixer so that you can independently control the level of each of those from a single app. It also allows you to have multiple independent output mixes so you can create the perfect audio mix depending on the output. Now, this sounds confusing, but it just means that if you are on Twitch and you are streaming to an audience, they might want to hear a different mix versus what you hear in your headphones versus what your teammates hear on Discord. Unify also gives you access to a suite of professional audio processors, and these can be activated by simply clicking on the mic channel button. Now, these processors include a high-pass filter for clearing up low-frequency buildup in your audio, a noise gate for removing background noise, a compressor for making your voice sound more punchy and even, and of course the Aphex Aural Exciter and Big Bottom effects for giving your voice that classic, rich broadcast tone. We suggest that you use it with a RØDE mic like the XDM 100 in order to unlock all of its features. Now, these mics have advanced inbuilt DSP, which gives you access to a granular control panel for each processor, allowing you to adjust them to perfectly suit your voice and your recording environment. Now, this is very processor intensive, so only the RØDE microphones are capable of handling this. Now, with Unify, you can also add voice effects like reverb, echo, robot, and pitch shifting, which are of course great for getting creative on stream or if you just want to troll your teammates. Together, Unify and the XDM 100 are a complete audio solution that gives you everything you need to stream or game with professional audio, from capturing clean, clear audio to mixing, adding processing and effects, and even recording. To learn more about the RØDE range and Unify, be sure to check out the link in the description below. Thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you next time.